How long do we have to stop at a stop line at the stop sign, and how far from the line? Don't overshoot the stop line at all, not even with your car body, and according to the rules you should stop completely. How do we ensure that we stop completely? Your vehicle shouldn't move for a period of time at all, so have your foot firmly on brake for at least a couple of seconds after your vehicle stops. To ensure you don't fail your driving assessment, you can do the countdown. So as soon as your car stops, you can count 1,000, 2,000. On the third count, you can take off. This is not a rule, but you can use it as a guide to prevent failing driving assessment, and it can potentially save you demerit points. It's impossible to see the bumper or your front wheels when you're sitting inside of the vehicle, but with practice you can learn not to overshoot the white solid line. Don't be far behind the line either, because you're going to lose points and potentially fail your driving assessment if you're too far behind the line. The closer you get to the white solid line, the better you're going to be able to observe any traffic. Don't be timid to count if that's going to help you remember that it's a stop sign and that you have to completely stop. One of the reasons that a lot of candidates fail is they start to slow down too soon. So you can get there at a reasonable speed, but once you get there, ensure that you stop 1,000, 2,000 on the third count. You can go. Even if it's slightly shorter time, just ensure that your foot remains on a brake and seizes movement completely until you take off again. I hope that this knowledge will help you pass your driving assessment. Please feel free to ask us any questions down in the comments below. Any suggestions for future videos are welcome. Please subscribe, like and share our content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.